everyone, this is Robyn. Welcome to mypinkstamper.com. I hope you are having a wonderful spring day. It's spring. I'm so excited. Okay. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I am so happy that you are taking time out of your day to stop by and check me out. So today I am going to be sharing a stamping tutorial using the Crafting Forever stamp set. This is one of my most used and favorite stamp sets from our annual catalog. All right, so let's go ahead and jump right in. The very first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be using the scissors, and we're stamping with our Memento black ink. Now I will be needing or using a piece of our grid paper just in case I stamp off on my table. This is a piece of our Whisper White cardstock, and it's cut at 2 1/4 by 5 inches. This is our Memento black ink pad. I'm going to be using our Stampin' Blends today, and this is the ink pad that you use when you are using our Stampin' Blends. Stampin' Blends. I say stamping. Stampin' Blends. I am just stamping these scissors all the way across. And if you want to have a little bit coming off the side, you can. It's totally up to you. I don't think I need to. Maybe a little bit of this. No, it didn't even hit it anyway. Okay, so I have scissors across it, and I'm going to go ahead and set this aside, and we're done with that. I'm going to use our Flirty Flamingo Dark Stampin' Blend. You can buy these individually with the dark or the light, or you can get them in a combo. We have the bullet point tip, and we also have the brush. So I'm using the brush, and I am just going to color. And if you think that it's a problem, if you feel like it's hard for you to use the brush, you can use the bullet. I'm not really blending anything with the scissors. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and speed up the process. All right, I am done with the Flirty Flamingo. The next color I'm using is the light Smoky Slate. And I'm going to be coloring just all of the metal part on the scissors, and then I'm coming back with one more color. Okay, the last color I'm using is the dark Smoky Slate. I'm going to use the bullet, and I'm just doing the little dots here, or the hardware that holds them together. And then I'm kind of shading in just a little bit. Just giving it a little bit of dimension. It's up to you if you want to do this part or not. Okay, let's finish up this card. We are going to be stamping on this piece of Whisper White. This is just a scratch piece. And I'm using our basic gray ink pad. And I'm stamping the sentiment that says, "We are cut out to be friends." Isn't that cute? With the scissors, we're cut out to be friends. So stinking cute. For this next part, I'm going to go ahead and pull out the Stampin' Up Big Shot. This is the Stampin' Up Big Shot, and I'm just going to put this right here. I'm using one of our stitched shapes. I'm using the circle. This is a wonderful collection for almost every stamp set that we have in the catalog. It's shapes that have stitches. So there's squares, circles, ovals. If you don't own it yet, you definitely want to add it to your wish list. It's very versatile. So I have this here, and it's got the stitches, if you can see the stitches. Okay, now I'm going to take up our piece of our basic gray cardstock, and I'm going to punch it with our 2 1/4 inch circle punch. And now I'm ready to put this quick and simple card together. The base of this card is a piece of our thick Whisper White cardstock. This is cut at 5 1/2. 5 1/2 by 8 1/2. And I have it scored at 4 1/4. And then I'm folding it over with our bone folder. Now I'm going to start layering this up. I'm going to take the strip that we just stamped and colored, and I'm going to add it on a piece of this cut designer series paper from our Brights pack. This is the Flirty Flamingo, and I have this cut at 3 inches by 5 inches. And I am just going to layer this on so you can see the top and the bottom. And I'm going to add adhesive. And I'm going to add this on a piece of our Smoky Slate cardstock. This is cut at 3 3/4 by 5 inches. And I'm going to add that right on here. Now I'm going to take another piece of our basic gray cardstock. It's kind of blending into my background. This is cut at 4 inches by 5 1/4 inches. Let me put this on here. It really blends in. I can barely see it actually. We'll see it in just a second. Now I'm going to add this piece onto the thick Whisper White. And I'll take my circle that we stamped and cut out with the Big Shot. I will add that onto a piece of gray that we punched out. I'm going to turn this over, and I'm going to use our Stampin' Dimensionals. I'll add 3 on. And I will go ahead and just put this right here. We are cut out to be friends. Just a simple and quick card, and I have another version using a smaller circle, so you can decide which one you like best. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you like what you saw, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have not subscribed yet, don't forget to click on the little bell next to the subscribe button, and you'll be notified every time I post a brand new online video for you. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.